What are we going to talk about now? What are we going to talk about now? What? Well, you were just a happy baby. Well, you were. There's no denying it. Is this worry or happy? Worry? How about we get a little happy? That's close. That's close. We're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah. Yeah. Let's have a laugh, Mr. Drool Bomb. Wasn't that cute? Can we have some more? No, no. Is the show over? I think the secret is you don't know you're being videotaped. Are we happy to stand again? Or sit? We can stand. Look at that. Look at that. We just need to work on this balance thing now. Oh.
Stamina.
Oh, why upset? Why upset? Why are you looking away from the camera? There's Mom over there. Yeah, Mom. You love Mom, don't you? Don't you? Oh, I love it. What? Yeah? I can't even tell anymore. Is it mad? Is it happy? You gotta figure that out. Yeah? Malaya? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened? No. Wow. Your vocals must be tired. Not yet, not yet. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right.